है guys, we are going to do camping. और अदीन बताएं जरा, अदीन बार बार कह रही थी जी कैंपिंग करें, फिर लाने का क्या फायदा टेंट अगर हमने कैंपिंग नहीं करनी।
साल में पूरे एक दफा करते हैं ये कैंपिंग।
ओके मुस्ताइन रेडी? अब ये देखिए इसका हम बनाएंगे पूरा कैंप आपके सामने, बस आप हमें देखिएगा। Now let's go inside.
Let's go.
Wow. We remove the shoes.
Let's remove the
अंदर से
shoes.
दिखाएंगे। अच्छा. Wow.
Wow.
That's a lovely one.
Yeah, so big.
So fantastic.
You can even lock it up.
Let me make it big now.
Yeah. Then I'll zip it up. Hello. Oh, the goose come here.
Yay! We did it.
We don't.
Adeen, Mustaeen wanna say something?
No. Meow, meow. Now it's our bedtime.
एक सेकंड. Hello guys, knock. Wow. So, अदीन थोड़ा साइड पे हो जाएं। दरवाजा ते खोल दियो तुसी ते कुंडी लाई है।
So,
what do you like about camping?
I love because it's a little hut, you know. It's made of cloth and it's a little hut.
Yeah.
And Mustaeen, what do you like about camping?
Actually, I like the bright colors of the day.
Okay.
If it has the dark colors.
Yeah.
But then what will you do?
Okay. So Adeen, do you want to say anything about this camp and how you're feeling inside?
I'm feeling good.
Let me come inside as well, guys. You can see.
इन्होंने पुशिया भी नहीं है। गवांडियां ने कहा जाते हैं लेकिन पुश के नहीं आते।
Okay, Barney boy, Mustaeen, what do you say?
It's so hot inside the camp.
Yeah, it's gonna be fine. And see the, wow, this is amazing outside.
Yeah,
You
but
guys can see.
yeah.
Let me give you the view.
साढ़े घर जितने
This is the view.